Automatic Evelyn Overview. Bowling's first online league secretarial system, Automatic Evelyn, was first developed for desktop computers in 1982 and has successfully changed with the times. The web application is different from other software packages on the market in that it is completely web-based, generating a fully functional website portal for any league that uses the program. Beginning as a simple PC-to-paper record-keeping application, the software soon demonstrated its versatility when interfaced with desktop publishing software in the early to mid-1990s to produce a multi-page booklet-style hard copy. When the Internet came along, Automatic Evelyn stayed one step ahead of the game, conforming to the need for accommodating web users by producing a PC-to-website experience. And finally, in 2013, and up through the present day, the application took technology to the outer limits, residing solely on the web to auto-create web portals for bowling league secretaries, which can be browsed via desktop computers and mobile PCs and/or smartphones.